Prime Minister Andrew Holness give $200,000 out of his own money to the family of 14-year-old YETANAYA Francis, who was brutally murdered last week. All of that coming up. So in case you are not following up this story, I'm gonna give you a rundown. So last Thursday about 8 p.m, YETANAYA left home to go to a nearby shop to purchase food. When she did not return home, a search was launched by residents of the community, including her mother, and her nude, partially burnt body was found in a section of the community. And the community of which I'm talking about is Arnett Gardens, aka Jungle. Yeah man, down a jungle. And it would appear that she was raped, burnt, and her body was dumped. John Star, a 14-year-old girl, the man them raped. After that brutal murder, a lot of public figure came out and condoled the incident. You know what I mean? Persons like Senator Damian Crawford, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, which also donated $200,000 out of his own personal money towards the funeral proceedings. And a number of persons from the entertainment fraternity have also shared condolence towards this brutal murder. So we are going to hold a little reasoning right now. But first, I want to say condolence. On behalf of Chaddy TV, condolence to the family of Yanita Francis. Mummy, me can't know where you feel right now, but all me have to tell you, I just hold it. You see me? And justice have to serve.
When me wrote them, they bring him. Kill him. Hanging tree, bottom one, I got the dead. In a place me from, and you only not support no raper man, no. Some boy I must murder so much man, no. No raper we no support them figure face no judging and no call. I mean if them a go in a your church, chop him up fine and national.
Yeah man, that are the only justice me feel safe to serve. Jungle justice. Because here one now, how can a man look on a 14-year-old and rape her, and then not only rape her, after you done rape her, you kill her and then burn her body and dump her? Or so she's an animal. A animal, cause animal alone me know them do them thing there. The mother say she lay down in her bed and smell something a burn, and I say yo, a dog a burn. And not even did know say our own child, the man them a deal with so. So where you tell me say now, them man they need to go a prison if it come eat out my and your taxpayer money, if it come eat out my money when me work hard for. You must see mad man and sit down in a prison and live like king. A jungle justice them forget. You see me? Jungle justice. And let me tell you this. One thing what me know. You see, every rape and murder and every crime go on in Jamaica, somebody know about it. Whether the mother know about it, the sister know about it, a friend know about it, somebody see. Somebody know about it. Uno I go just sit down and say, yo, you know what? Me not inform because informer fi dead. And burn informer X, Y, and Z. Until it happened to your child, until it happened to your daughter, your niece, or somebody close to you. And then, what go happen now? Yeah, same thing, the people them a go do here, you know, nobody now go talk, you know. So people, we need to come out and call out this. Me never know what to say because they are not criminal. They are savage, barbaric, sorry excuse for be a human being. And we need to shoot them out. We need to take back our nation from criminal and people like these. We need to take back our nation. Cause watch on man. Me nah go say the government do all they can. Because we all know that the government can do much more. Or the government should be doing much more. But take the government outright. Take the police force outright. What can you do? What can you as an individual do to make your country better? What can you as an individual do to prevent crimes like these? Yo, we need to get serious, man. Me I tell you, I must somebody down there. I must somebody down on it. I must somebody when know the girl. Good. Now out of port, man. Now forward and do them things in a your community. You mad? Come on, a community like jungle now. If me last and go so booms I end up down a jungle, the man them pan the corner pray me. Much less for coming at them community there, for come do things like them there. Yo, a smaddy down in the community I do it. And as what me say, smaddy no. So no need for shove them out. Yo, Jano Star, me heart go out to the little girl. And me heart go out to our family, especially our mother. Yo, me never really want this to be a rant. And it come like it a turn out in a rant. But come on, who can do a headline or a story like this and don't end up a rant about it? People, me I tell you, like, me I forgot to end the video right now. But this a one time when me don't wanna like. Honestly, me don't wanna like on the video. Me wanna just comment RIP in the comment section. Comment RIP and show your condolence. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
This song goes out to those who lost a loved one.